guys, welcome back. Just headed out to Pickle, Butte. It's not far from the shop. There's a Jeep that got stuck, but not only stuck, it's actually on its side too. So, and I think if it's in the spot I'm thinking of, I know where it's at. There's kind of a big hole, and I'm wondering if maybe it's stuck in that. Well, I'm gonna go take a look at it first to see what we're even gonna need. I don't know what we're gonna need. I don't know if I can get a truck to it or not. If it's the spot I'm thinking of, I might be able to, but won't know until we get out there. So we'll head that way and then assess what we need and go from there. So I'm out here with my pickup, and still a little wet out here, but here's where the Jeep is. It's not too bad. It's dried up a little bit. It finally quit raining. But there you can see the Jeep on its side. So I'm gonna walk up there and take a better look and then see what we're gonna need to tip it back over and get it out of there. Still a little slimy in some of these places here. There's the Jeep. He found himself a good hole there, I think. So there's the road right there. I'm pretty sure I can just put a truck there instead of having to drive up this. I'm pretty sure I can flip him over. The problem is there's still this berm right here from this hole that he's in. So even after I flip him back up, put him on his tires, still have to get him out of that, but should be able to just keep winching after it's on its tires and kind of winch it back up that direction. Luckily, the main paved road is just right there. So I think that's gonna be the best route at this point. So I'm gonna head back and get our medium duty wrecker and go over there and probably a cruise loop and maybe some extension. I don't know how far that is. It's probably 115 feet. Whew, sorry, I'm out of breath. That's steeper than it looks. Doesn't look that steep. It's got a little bit of a steepness to it. Okay, so I'll do that and get this guy back out. I don't know if it's gonna drive or not. It's been sitting there for a couple days now, so we'll see. And I've got another one. It's an F350. I don't know if it's this trail, if it goes up that way, or if he's up further that direction. But there's an F350 that's stuck also up there, and he's in a bad way too. He's not tipped over like this guy is, but he's close. But all right, I'll resume the video here in a second. All right, so we're here with truck 7, our medium duty wrecker. It's kind of funny, this hill here, it's called Pickle Butte. There are hundreds of trails and places where people get stuck and tip over, and this is literally the one spot where you still have a road and I can actually get out to that vehicle. I've done one here before, almost the exact same thing. They found that hill and or that hole rather, and fell right into that hole, and I was actually able to use my side puller on one of our roll beds and sit right up there where that truck is and come right out and get him. And we're actually going to get even luckier because this fence right here ends right before we'll be putting our winch line through. Looks like somebody has taken it down, or it's definitely gone. So got lucky in a couple ways. So I'm gonna use this cruise loop just to give me an extra little bit. We have the shackle already put on the end of it. And then I'm gonna put our rollover chain there, and then we'll hook it to this, and we'll bring it over, and then we'll actually winch it out of that hole that it's in. So I'm gonna walk back up there, and I'm actually gonna step this off too, and see exactly how far it is. I have plenty of winch line, and then once I know I'm ready, that's when I'll position the truck and point it right at it, which will put me in the road a little bit. So I'm not positioning until I'm ready. And then I'll have someone on the opposite side just making sure traffic knows there's a truck out here. So I'll do that and get set up. Okay. Got our chain hooked up. And I only had about 30 feet left on this 100 feet wire rope. So it's a good thing I used this 30-foot cruise loop. But we're hooked. You can kind of see how I'm hooked there. And I'm gonna head back up to the truck and start wiring in. Okay, looks like we got them. It should be enough. We'll go take a look, make sure that's enough for them. But that should be. We'll go down there. All right, that looks perfect. Let's take a look on this side. Oh yeah, tons of room. There's where he used to be. Now he's out. Let that sit for a while and let the oil get back through the engine and everything and see if it starts. These Jeeps are pretty relentless, so I kind of think it's probably going to be able to drive itself out of here, especially now that it's a lot drier today. So I'm going to get all my stuff put away. Then I'm going to go see if I can't find that F350 up here somewhere. All right, well, never mind on that. Just called the F350 guy and he actually got out. So thanks for watching, everybody. As always, like and subscribe, and God bless. See you all in the next one.